Alright guys, how to fix your GoPro if it won't charge and won't turn on. So mine is plugged in right now, plugged into the computer there, and when I go to turn it on, it won't turn on. This has happened a couple of times with me. So what you do is, you remove the battery and take the back off, remove the battery, remove the SD card, plug it in without the battery in there, and then turn it on. I'll show you in a sec. So it wouldn't turn on. I've removed the back, removed the battery. Now just going to plug it back into here. As you can see, no battery in it, but now it wants to charge. So there we go. So that's how you do it to get it to turn back on. Pretty easy really. Now just chuck the battery back in. As you can see, it's back on and charging. So that's with the Hero 2. I've heard of it happening with the other GoPros, Hero 3 as well. So please comment below if this helped you out. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.